Okay, thank you, PSP team. I am Dr. Bashir from the Sindh, Pakistan. I'm working as an internal medicine as a physician here in the university, and we have a lot of cases regarding the infertility, especially the azoospermia. We see in the cases. So I think the PSP did the good job, especially the all the speakers. Though I didn't listen the all the lectures, but I have a few one day and the second half lectures I have seen are very interesting. We have learned a lot of new things, especially Dr. Rachna, Dr. Nashish, Dr. Shankar have give them more information. I think this is a very helpful for our patients. And we inshallah apply in these lectures, this knowledge over the patients, and hope so there's some new hope for these patients, especially the patient with the azoospermia. Thank you. Thank you all of our team. Thank you. Congratulations to the PSP team who worked hard and make these lectures. Thank you very much.